Laura! Yay!
Let's talk about personal space.
Saan? Happy!
Good day. Wait.
I would like if I say I'm favorite mo, but I love ice cream.
Of course, parang lahat naman yata gusto yun. Habita na ba? Hindi pa. You ordered na?
Oo, we ordered onion rings. For the table, ano yung sa akin? Onion rings, fries. We also got a burger. We also got 2 salads.
Okay, please invite the fans to support you on your MUPH journey.
I should do the next Miss Universe Philippines because I represent one of the service that is really after your teams, even after all other teams are already
Ayan, nandito nga tayo sa Wendy's. Anong pinaka-paborito mo sa Wendy's?
I know, I just shared earlier. I'm practically manifested to be here. In the past few months, I've been doing a lot of Wendy's takeout. Tapos meron kasi a lot more sa highway na meron siyang order and then ignore. So it's not just be there in the bar, like take in the moment, eat fast food, or in the burgers. Almost everyone is very orthodox nila, like chicken sandwich. Kasi like,
Ayan, how is your
I think the Wendy's partnership and Miss Universe Philippines partnership is a good one because Wendy's now has a good array of food that is fast and healthy, and I think it's important for us to continue in this journey, and especially fuel and healthy ways.
What is your favorite Wendy's? Cheers. Bye and go. So,
Where would you like to go? I'm sorry.
Minggan. San Fabian ka, right?
Good morning, everybody. I'm Bianca Olay Ilanan from the province of Quirino, and this event has been so fun. Wendy's has been such a childhood memory for me, and today it's been just such good vibes. Everyone's on high energy.
Thank you.
I had to recommend anything to the Uwe Trust.
Flying kiss.
Everything is on the menu of one, so that's really
Baby D. Aura ka lang. Ay!
Ganun pala ang sunshine.
Hindi pala ako.
Eliana Marie Abuela. Welcome to Wendy. Hello to each one of you. This is Chelsea for Miss Universe.
What do you love about Wendy?
I was so happy right now, especially that I woke up so early to attend our event at Wendy's in Alabang. And I'm so grateful that Wendy's is partnering with Miss Universe Philippines organization. They decided for the future event of their company, of course, with the organization that I am very
I'm Ramshua Marinas. I'm really excited to enjoy the diverse meals of Wendy's and we will
Okay. Aura. Aura girls. Aura.
Universe Philippines! Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines!
Aura.
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines!
Yung wala siya. One more. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines!
Tama ba? At isa.
Picture po.
Go!
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines!
Okay, viewers. And 1, 2, 3, and go!
Wendy's for
Ay, parang may mga tumagtag kasi. Last lang po, one group photo. Wendy's for me.
I think that's really what we're presenting this morning, and I think presenting later on.
And Miss Universe can help each other with brand presence as well to make it more stronger. With the help of the ladies, yung contents niya po, you're looking for gorgeous, you know, like even at 9 a.m. in the morning. Magiging ganito, but thank you so much. No, first of all, I would like
Quick story. When we
Double burger. Salad yung
you know, we can really identify with Wendy's, guys.
we always serve fresh.
Probably interview the delegates later. And at this point, if you have any questions or any word from Mr. Joey Garcia. Crystal Jacinto, Deputy Chair. That's ready to branch. So come over.
Iba nakalive. May nakalive. Pantay tayo. Relax. Anton, lang. Excuse me.
Perfect, Sisi. Tingin kayo sa mga different cams.
Thank you so much.
We are Miss Universe Philippines and welcome to Wendy's. We are Miss Universe Philippines and welcome to Wendy's.
Ulit, walang energy.